Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the life and important facts about famous writers. And in this video, we are going to discuss Aeschylus. Introduction. Aeschylus, born in 525 or 524 BC in Eleusis near Athens, is often recognized as the father of tragedy. His life and works make the elevation of the emerging art of tragedy to great heights of poetry and theatrical power, significantly influencing the structure and themes of Greek drama. His contributions and innovations laid the foundation for future playwrights and left an indelible mark on Western literature and theatre. Historical context and influences. Aeschylus lived through a tumultuous period in Greek history, notably during the Persian Wars. His participation in the pivotal battles of Marathon and Salamis profoundly influenced his dramatic works. These battles were crucial in defending Greek independence against Persian invasion, shaping Aeschylus's perspectives on heroism, patriotism, and the human condition. His epitaph, which highlights his participation in the Battle of Marathon, underscores the importance he placed on his role as a soldier over his achievements as a playwright. Contributions to Greek drama. Aeschylus wrote approximately 90 plays, of which only 7 have survived intact. His surviving works include Persians, 7 Against Thebes, Suppliants, the Orestria trilogy, comprising Agamemnon, Libation Bearers and Eumenides, and Prometheus Bound. His innovations in Greek drama were revolutionary. Before Aeschylus, Greek drama was limited to one actor and a chorus. By introducing a second actor, Aeschylus significantly enhanced the potential for dialogue and dramatic tension, allowing for more complex plot development and richer character interactions. This innovation laid the foundation for future dramatists like Sophocles and Euripides. Innovations in Greek drama. Aeschylus's introduction of a second actor expanded the potential for dialogue and character interactions, transforming Greek drama from a primarily choral medium to one focused on the dynamic interplay between characters. This innovation was crucial in the evolution of Greek theatre, setting the stage for more intricate and engaging storytelling. Thematic focus. Aeschylus's plays are characterized by their majestic and compelling lyrical language, intricate plot architecture, and exploration of universal themes. His works often delve into the plights, decisions, and fates of individuals whose destinies are closely intertwined with those of the community and the gods. Themes of divine justice, human suffering, and hereditary guilt are prevalent in his tragedies, reflecting the complex moral and ethical landscape of ancient Greek society. Persians. One of the Aeschylus's notable works, Persians, uniquely dramatizes a recent historical event, the Greek victory over the Persians at the Battle of Salamis. This play reflects Greek views on warfare, heroism, and the divine punishment of hubris. Set in the Persian capital, it explores the themes of Greek bravery and divine justice, portraying the Persian defeat as a consequence of their arrogance and folly. 7 Against Thebes. In 7 Against Thebes, Aeschylus explores the theme of hereditary guilt, depicting the doomed fate of the Theban royal family due to the transgressions of their ancestors. This play highlights the inescapable nature of fate and the consequences of ancestral sins, a common motif in Aeschylus's works. Orestria trilogy. The Orestria trilogy is one of Aeschylus's most significant works, examining the cycle of vengeance within the house of Atreus. In Agamemnon, the titular character is murdered by his wife, Clytemnestra, who seeks to avenge their daughter Iphigenia's sacrifice. Libation Bearers follows Orestes' return and his subsequent murder of Clytemnestra to avenge his father's death. The trilogy concludes with Eumenides, where Orestes is tried and the cycle of bloodshed is resolved through the establishment of the rule of law by Athena and the Athenian courts. Imagery and symbolism. Aeschylus is renowned for his bold use of imagery and symbolism. His plays are rich with metaphors and recurring motifs that enhance the thematic depth. In the Orestia, images of nests, snares, and entrapment symbolize the inescapable nature of fate and hereditary guilt. The use of light and darkness imagery underscores the moral and psychological struggles of his characters, adding layers of meaning to the narrative. Innovations in stagecraft. Beyond his contributions to dramatic structure, Aeschylus was a pioneer in stagecraft. He utilized elaborate costumes, masks, and stage machinery to create spectacular scenic effects, adding a visual dimension to his storytelling. His innovations in staging and the use of dramatic devices like the echiclema, a wheeled platform, and machine, a crane for lifting actors, set new standards for Greek theatre, enhancing the overall theatrical experience. Legacy and influence. Aeschylus's impact on Greek drama and Western literature is profound. His introduction of a second actor and his focus on dialogue paved the way for the development of more complex and dynamic theatrical works. His thematic exploration of divine justice, human suffering, and the interplay between individual actions and state consequences influenced subsequent playwrights, including Sophocles and Euripides. Despite the competitive and evolving nature of Greek theatre, Aeschylus's legacy endured, with his plays continuing to be performed and studied for their literary and philosophical richness. Competitive and evolving nature of Greek theatre. Aeschylus's relationship with other contemporary playwrights, such as Sophocles, highlights the competitive and evolving nature of Greek theatre. In 468 BC, Sophocles won a dramatic competition against Aeschylus, demonstrating the dynamic and ever-changing landscape of Greek drama. However, Aeschylus's enduring legacy and continuing influence underscore his importance as a foundational figure in the development of Greek tragedy. Conclusion. Aeschylus transformed Greek drama through his innovative use of multiple actors, intricate plots, and thematic depth. His works remain a testament to the power of tragedy to explore the complexities of the human condition, divine justice, and the interplay between fate and free will. His legacy as a playwright and innovator continues to influence theatre and literature, cementing his place as one of the greatest dramatists in history. So this was the discussion on the life and important facts about Aeschylus. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other author. Until then, goodbye and thank you.